To access your transaction history, select Hello Your Name on the top of the toolbar and click on My Account. Under My Transactions, you can access your cards, quotes, and orders. Select Cards to see your cart history. To access cart details on a specific cart, select Arrow on the Cart Actions and click on View Details. Under Cart Actions, select Duplicate Cart to copy the cart and select Set as Current Cart to make it an active cart to add more products. Select Delete Cart to delete it. To create a new cart, select Create Cart on the top of the page. To view quote history, select Quotes under My Transactions. Select any specific quote to see more details and click on Convert to Cart to add the same products to a new cart. To view order history, select Orders under My Transactions. You can search orders by your purchase order, order request number, Emerson sales order, or by a date range. In the search results, you will see sales order number, purchase order number, supplier, and the status. To see order details, click on any specific order number. To reorder the same product, you can add the items to a new cart using Add to Active Cart. You can see that the product is added to a new cart and you can then place the order using Checkout. If you have any further questions, please reach our customer service team using the Send a Message option, available 24/7.